The following is a presentation of TFNN. The Tom O'Brien Show is produced every business day. Tom takes your phone calls toll free at 1-877-927-6648. Internationally at 727-445-1044.
Let's go to Sam in Irvine, California. Hey, Sam, what's going on?
Hi, Tom. How are you?
Doing great. You having a good day out there?
I'm having a great day. Thank you very much. I want to preface by saying that I'm so grateful to you and TFNN for you to assemble such a great people, such a team to help the small investors like myself.
Well, we appreciate you growling and prowling out here with us, Sam. Thank you so much.
Now, Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night. And if you happen to be going to see the charts are going to be much crisp beyond belief. We're going to be bringing people in through Skype, some of the guests, and you're going to be able to see the guest and me charts. We do appreciate you growling and prowling with us out here. I do want to thank the whole crew at TFNN getting this HD set up and just making TFNN a better place to watch each and every day. Education. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 14, NASDAQ down, gold contract flat at $1,185 an ounce. Silver down 19 cents at $16.20. Flat at $3.04 a pound. Late sweet crude, $75.54 a barrel. Bonds, we have the 10-year down 6 ticks at 126.16. 30 off 11 ticks at 141.11. King dollar up 417 ticks at 88.01. The euro is down 74 at 124.51. And the yen is trading up 21 at 116.50. Our phone number is 877-927. Well, what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You got a sideways S&P. We've been hanging up here 6 days now. Bottom line is at 046. That can get tested, no doubt. SPY, you take a look at the SPY. What we have with the SPY is this. The SPY today has done... So we've done 51 million shares. You're at 204.46. The high in the SPY is 204.83. So we've hit 204.58. Haven't hit the high yet. Dow Industrials. Go take a look at the Dow Industrials. Dow Industrials also flat, up 20 bucks. The high in the Dow was generated last Thursday. That was 17,705. More than likely will get hit once again. Putting points into the Dow, you have United Healthcare. That is the leader out there. That's up $1.32. Intel is second, with Cisco is up 22 and Merck is up 46. Taking it away, you got Procter down 55. American Express is off 51. You got DuPont's down 34 and Big Mac is down 38. NASDAQ Composite. We take a look at the composite. What we have with the composite is this. Flat market, down 13. Realistically flat market, though. We take a look at the 3 Qs, the NDX 100. Inside the NDX 100, also flat market. You get 17 million shares. You're trading up at these highs. Over to the dollar index, because the market's all about the dollar index, folks. We're going to do the dollar before gold. So, dollar index out here today. Well, first off, let's go. We've been at these same levels since the November 6th. And what we have had is this, is that higher dollar, higher market. Lower dollar, lower market. And it's immediate, too. Friday, what ended up happening is this. Friday, dollar got over its highs, closed underneath them, had lighter volume, did the test, failed. Today, what you have, we get into the lows that were generated on the 10th of November, rejecting lower price, have lighter volume. What does that say? It says, yep, that dollar can test the highs of Friday. Now, this is where we have divergence, however, and this is what it is. The dollar index is up 412 ticks. Gold, now we're going to go over to gold. With the dollar index up that high, gold is not getting whacked. So gold last Friday had wide price spread, accelerated volume. Gold, silver equities had the same deal. The XAU, the HUI, tested the 2008 lows, did it with lighter volume, rejected them. What you have here is that the divergence that we have, gold right now is at 1185. And once it got back inside, and this is going to get really interesting, it's really 1183. I'd like to see it actually get up to the 1208 level. But it's just tucking its head inside the next higher range. I suspect what we're doing here is we're building some cause to do a wide price spread, accelerated volume to the top side once again. Now, that's in the gold market. We go over to the SPY for a second. Most times when the dollar was up, the market should be up. So that's where the divergence lies out. And specifically, that divergence will get straightened out in the next few days. And it's either get straightened out with the dollar pulling back and the S&P coming down, or the dollar going higher and the S&P going higher. Bond market. We go take a look at the bonds. What we have with bonds out here today is this. And the bonds have been the most consistent thus far as to what the market wants to do. October 15th, the high that was generated October 15th, 10-year, it's the volume up there. We're talking about 130.17. Right now, today we did 910,000 contracts in the bond. That acceleration, well, that's a normal acceleration as it's pushing into the swing point of 127. We hit 127. The last time we were up at 127, we did 946,000 contracts. We've done 910 today. We're going to do around the same. That's saying you what? That's saying you're building cause to get into a higher price. The 30-year bond, we take a look at the 30-year. And the 30-year, folks, it leads the 10-year. The 30-year has been leading it for quite a while. 30-year got to a high today of 1209. So the 30-year is pushing into that level, has higher volume pushing into that level, has given it up on price, but when you have higher level going into a price point, you're going to be right back up to those numbers. Our phone number is 877-927-6664. Entails you win. Well, there's no doubt. The takeover battle, big way. What you had out here is that activists is going to take them over. They're going to pay $66 billion. And if you want to trade, this is an amazing trade. Because if you heard about this, Ackman got together with the Valiant CEO, and Ackman had owned 9.6%, I believe, of the equity, and he owned them through options. He had put $3.2 billion on the line. The bottom line, that $3.2 billion right now, not getting the company is still worth $6 billion. And that was from April... Let me see this. April 17th. April, May, June, July, August, September. 6 months. Big number. And out of that, I believe that Valiant can 8% of the profits, which isn't bad either, because that turns around and pays some of their overhead. That, what, 15% is about $400 million. $3 billion, yeah, $400 million, $450 million. Not bad. Some of the high-volume stocks out here in a low-volume market, this is what we have happening. You have Baker Hughes. That's getting taken over by Halliburton. Baker Hughes is up $5.95. Halliburton's down $5.90. We get Bank of America off 4 cents. You have, let's see, Pfizer's down 5. Twitter's off $1.50. Gilead Sciences down 143. If we do go over to the IBB, so check this out. This gets pretty interesting. The IBB right now is set up for a nice ABC structure. Well, it's not an ABC structure, actually. What you have is this. The IBB is trading at 288. That wants to go test, though, this 257. It's setting up really nice. If we take a look at the IWM, as one of our tigers is saying, that it seems weaker than the marketplace, and there's no doubt about it. The IWM, folks, is the weakest indice thus far in the major indices, meaning the SPYs, the diamonds, the Qs, in a huge way, too. The IWM hasn't made its highs, period. If we take a look at the Russell 2000, which is the correlation, which is the indice that the IWM is following, we got to 1188, and that was, it didn't even make the low of the high. The high is 1213. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Dow Industrials are up 13. NASDAQ, S&Ps are flat. You stay right there, folks. We're coming back with Kim from Denver, and we're going to be talking about beef.